when you don't collaborate with industry, you can work on something that's totally irrelevant to the industry, and you may not know that. So the industry-academia collaboration is super critical in working on topics that are relevant to the real-life situations.
Academia can imagine what the world will look like 5-10 years from now. Being able to combine the academic discovery and provide the natural transition into making of a product by partnership with industry, that's the key to long-term success.
I often get asked what can we use them for, or how can we get to use them sooner, and there I don't have enough expertise, but my Samsung colleagues have that expertise and they can help us so that together we can try to make progress.
그 MIT 산학협력을 통해서 그 학계 최전선에 있는 연구를 직접 접할 수 있어서 되게 의미 있는 기회였다고 생각을 하고요. 학계에서 했던 연구들이 실제 산업에서 실용적으로 어떻게 응용될 수 있는지 관심이 되게 많으신 것 같아서 그래서 앞으로 이러한 관계를 지속적으로 발전시켜서 실제로 이런 완전히 새로운 소재가 저희가 실제 양산할 수 있는 그런 날이 오기를 기대하고 있습니다.